As a virtual assistant, you provide valuable services to your clients. You need to get paid for those services. Furthermore, you may also incur expenses in providing those services. QuickBooks Online is an excellent tool for tracking the money you earn and the money you spend. It can also track all sorts of other financial information relating to your business. This guide provides a step-by-step process for setting up QuickBooks Online. It explains how to perform common virtual assistant tasks in QuickBooks Online. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, watch our other videos for more helpful tips. Before you can use QuickBooks Online, you need to sign up for an account and subscribe to a plan. Intuit, the maker of QuickBooks, offers a free trial so you can try before you buy. To set up your account, visit the QuickBooks Online website. Click the button to start your free trial. You will be asked to provide your name, email address, and other information to create an account. You also need to provide payment information, even for the free trial. Once you have an account, you can choose a QuickBooks Online plan. The plan you choose will depend on the features you need and the number of clients you have. After signing up for QuickBooks Online, you need to create a company file. A company file is a container that stores all the financial data for your business. To create a company file, click the Create a Company button. You will be asked to provide some basic information about your business, such as your company name, business type, and industry. QuickBooks Online will then create a company file for you and take you to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. The chart of accounts lists all the accounts that you use to categorize your income and expenses. It serves as the backbone of your accounting system, providing a structured way to organize your financial data. Each account in the chart is assigned a unique number and name, making it easier to track and manage your finances. You need to set up your chart of accounts before you can start using QuickBooks Online. This initial setup is crucial as it lays the foundation for all your future financial tracking and reporting. Without a well-organized chart of accounts, managing your business finances can become chaotic and error-prone. To view your chart of accounts, click the Chart of Accounts link in the left navigation pane. This will open a comprehensive list of all your accounts, categorized by type, such as assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Navigating this section is straightforward, allowing you to quickly find and manage your accounts. QuickBooks Online provides a default chart of accounts. This default setup includes common account types that most businesses use, saving you time during the initial setup. However, it's important to review these accounts to ensure they meet your specific business needs. You can add, edit, or delete accounts as needed. Customizing your chart of accounts allows you to tailor it to your business's unique financial structure. This flexibility ensures that your accounting system remains relevant and useful as your business evolves. To add a new account, click the New button. Select the account type. This step is essential for expanding your chart of accounts to include all necessary categories. Whether you're adding a new revenue stream or a new expense category, this process is simple and intuitive. Give the account a name. Click the Save button. Naming your accounts clearly and logically will help you and your team easily identify and manage them in the future. Consistent naming conventions can also improve the accuracy of your financial reports. To edit an existing account, click the account name. This allows you to update account details as your business needs change. Whether you're renaming an account or changing its type, QuickBooks Online makes it easy to keep your chart of accounts up to date. Make the changes that you want. Click the Save button. Regularly reviewing and updating your accounts ensures that your financial data remains accurate and relevant, supporting better decision-making. To delete an account, click the account name. Click the Delete button. This is useful for removing obsolete or redundant accounts, helping to keep your chart of accounts clean and organized. Confirm that you want to delete the account. Always double-check before deleting an account to avoid accidentally removing important financial data. Once confirmed, the account will be permanently removed from your chart of accounts. Setting up and managing clients is a crucial part of being a successful virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will likely be working with multiple clients simultaneously, each with their own unique needs and requirements. One of the essential tools for managing clients is QuickBooks Online. This software allows you to keep track of all your clients' financial information in one place. To get started, you need to add each client to QuickBooks Online. Begin by clicking the Sales link in the left navigation pane. Once you are in the Sales section, click on the Customers tab. This will take you to a screen where you can manage all your clients. To add a new client, click the New Customer button. This will open a form where you can enter all the necessary details about your client. Fill out the form with your client's information, such as their name, email address, and billing address. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. You can also personalize the client profile by adding a client logo and any relevant notes. This helps in keeping the information organized and easily accessible. After entering all the details, click the Save button to add the client to your QuickBooks Online account. If you need to make any changes to a client's information later, you can easily do so by clicking the Edit button next to the client's name. QuickBooks Online also allows you to view a client's transactions and invoices. Simply click on the client's name to access this information. Additionally, you can run detailed reports for specific clients. These reports can provide insights into your client's financial status and help you manage their accounts more effectively. By using these features, you can efficiently track your income and expenses for each client, ensuring that you stay organized and on top of your financial management tasks. Managing projects for your clients. You can use projects in QuickBooks Online to track your work for each client. To create a project, click the Projects link in the left navigation pane. Then, click the New Project button. Enter the project name, client, and other relevant details. Click the Save button. Once you have created a project, you can track your time and expenses for that project. You can also create invoices for projects. This helps you bill your clients accurately for your work. Tracking your time. As a virtual assistant, you likely bill your clients by the hour. QuickBooks Online has a built-in timer that you can use to track your time for each project. To start the timer, click the plus New button in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Single Time Entry. Select the client and project. Enter the date, start time, and end time. You can also add a description of your work. Click the Save button. You can also manually enter your time. To manually enter your time, click the plus New button. Select Single Time Entry. Select the client and project. Enter the date, hours worked, and hourly rate. You can also add a description of your work. Click the Save button. Tracking your expenses. You may incur expenses as a virtual assistant, such as software subscriptions, office supplies, and travel expenses. You can use QuickBooks Online to track your expenses. To enter an expense, click the plus New button. Select Expense. Select the payment method. Enter the payee, amount, and date of the expense. You can also select a category for the expense. This helps you categorize your expenses for tax purposes. Click the Save button. You can also use QuickBooks Online to track your mileage. To track your mileage, click the plus New button. Select Mileage. Enter the date, starting point, destination, and distance. You can also add a purpose for the trip. Click the Save button. Creating and sending invoices. Once you have completed work for a client, you can create an invoice in QuickBooks Online and send it to them electronically. To create an invoice, click the plus New button. Select Invoice. Select the client. Enter the invoice date, due date, and invoice number. Add the products or services you are billing for. You can also add a discount or shipping charges. Click the Save and Close button. To send the invoice to your client, open the invoice. Click the Send button. You can choose to send the invoice via email or by sharing a link. You can also customize the email message that is sent with the invoice. Receiving payments and making deposits. You can record client payments in QuickBooks Online. This feature helps you keep track of all your transactions efficiently. To record a payment, click the Sales link in the left navigation pane. This will take you to the Sales Overview page. Click the Invoices tab to see a list of all your invoices. Click the invoice that you want to record a payment for. This will open the invoice details. Click the Receive Payment button. This will open a new window where you can enter the payment details. Enter the payment date and amount. Make sure to select the correct payment method from the drop-down menu. This could be a bank transfer, credit card, or any other method your client used. You can also add a memo or reference number. This is useful for keeping additional notes about the payment. Once all the details are entered, click the Save and Close button. This will save the payment and update the invoice status. You can also use QuickBooks Online to make deposits. This feature allows you to consolidate multiple payments into a single deposit. Click the plus New button on the left-hand side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Deposit. Select the bank account that you want to make the deposit to. This ensures that the funds are directed to the correct account. Enter the date of the deposit. This should be the date you are actually making the deposit. Select the payments that you want to include in the deposit. You can choose multiple payments to combine into one deposit. You can also add cash or checks to the deposit. This is useful if you have received multiple forms of payment. Finally, click the Save and Close button. This will finalize the deposit and update your bank account balance in QuickBooks. Generating reports to stay informed. QuickBooks Online offers a variety of reports. These reports can help you understand your business's financial health. To access the reports, click the Reports link in the left navigation pane. You can then choose from a variety of reports, such as the Profit and Loss report, the Balance Sheet report, and the Statement of Cash Flows report. You can customize the reports to show the information that you need. You can also export the reports to Excel or PDF.